Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the AdvaMed 2011, the MedTech Conference in Washington, D.C. I have Bill Flaherty of Flextronics Medical, and it's FLEX. It's a public company on NASDAQ. Bill, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you very much. Nice to see you.
Now, it's good to have you. We're at perhaps the largest conference in the United States for medical products in terms of, MedTech. What's your purpose of being here? And first of all, let me start out. Tell me about Flextronics first.
Sure. So Flextronics Medical is a division of Flextronics, which is a publicly traded company. We are a engineering and manufacturing services company. So we have a full gamut of customers, from startups to small cap, mid cap, and some of the established players that we provide manufacturing services to, as well as engineering and design for their products. So simply put, our mantra and our role is to make our customers more competitive.
So you have customers throughout this conference.
That's
right?
Yes, we do, absolutely. So our customers are the medical device companies, and again, it's anything from startups to the established players. So
what are some of the products?
The products, we range really 5 different market segments. It ranges from drug delivery products like insulin pumps, consumer health products, blood glucose meters, for example, disposables products, heart catheters, guide catheters, wound therapy, imaging and monitoring, so CT, MRI equipment, as well as life sciences lab equipment. So we have a very, very broad range of markets that we cover.
That is a broad range. I mean, it sounds like you're covering the full gamut. So when you come to a conference like this, what are you looking for?
Well, looking to really two things. One is to network, of course, and look for perhaps some companies that we don't have relationships with at present, but also, and maybe equally as important, to really get a better understanding of the dynamics of the market and the trends regarding regulatory, technology, etc. And this is a terrific forum from which to gather that information.
Well, you're one of the big boys at this conference. So I know when these little companies come to the conference, I'm not saying, little could be a couple of $100 million compared to Flextronics. What is it in particular? Are you looking for a new kind of product that they might be unleashing here? Or is it, some management team? Or is this acquisition time? Anything could happen.
Yeah, sure. I think it's really both. Certainly for some of the smaller companies, we can provide them engineering services, which they're really looking for, but also a manufacturing partner. Because typically in a smaller company, their know-how is more in the design of the product, and they're looking for a partner from which to build it for them, since that's typically not core. So that's a real opportunity for us to network with companies of that size to provide those services.
Well, that's amazing, because you're right. For them to go into manufacturing, they just don't have the money to do that. What is the trend that you see happening so far?
Regarding technology,
yes.
Miniaturization of products, more wearable products that improve the lifestyle of the patient. Also, remote monitoring. Mobile health is another trend in the industry, and improvement in compliance to make sure that patients are using the products properly, they're getting the right dosage, etc. Those are really 3 critical trends that I see in the industry.
You're taking the worry out of the patient not taking their meds, I know, is an incredibly important development and a trend at this conference. Question, what's your background?
So I spent the majority of my career at GE in a number of different divisions and a number of different roles, and had the great opportunity to come to Flextronics and lead this business a couple of years ago, and we're really doing well, and I'm really happy to be here to talk more about what Flextronics can do and how we can help our customers and patients as a whole.
Sounds like Flextronics very flexible.
Yes, very much so.
Now, what is your website?
www.flextronics.com. And on our website, we have a lot more information on our capabilities, as well as some good case studies and testimonials that really exemplify all the capabilities that we have.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bill Flaherty of Flextronics, FLEX. It is a public company, and I want to thank you for coming.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Live.